I heard it. Wait, everybody smile for the camera. No burgers. Smile for the camera. Like that? Or more? Okay. Yeah. If there's anything...
It's all black. Is it on? Is it on? It's not a very complicated device. This is one thing.
So, wet your feet. The old wet your feet.
The old wedgie.
Wedgie. Wait, Kevin is... Wait, oh, then I should say...
Oh, dang.
Oh,
Kevin, why are you always causing trouble? There we go. Alright. He's got the old school middle seat belt that only goes across your lap. Yeah, because you were the tiniest. Whee! Yeah. But in answer to your question, I think that part of me, if I'm allowed to do that, part of me is old and part of me is young. Does it have to be an age? Okay. Yeah, but... What? Oh.
Just grab it. Oh, sorry.
It's still recording.
I know it's tough because you can't really pick an age older than yourself.